Hello guys, today we are watching how it feels to be picked by Csgo pros. Okay, let's start. Oh my god, what the professional moment. Yes, oh my god, very nice. Like a Punisher. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Yes, nice clear shot. What the fuck was that? Like a Punisher. No mercy, my man. No mercy. Okay, yes. That shot. It's a very clear, nice shot. It is very horrible. It is very horrible. Oh my god. It is very difficult and different. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Are you joking? He is very poor. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Unbelievable moment. Okay. Very cool moment. Oh my god. Very difficult moment. Oh my god, like a Punisher. Yes. Very clear. Very clear. He was lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very silent and fast. He has no chance. Oh my god. It is really... What the fuck was that? Yes, very nice shoot. What a shoot, man. Oh my god, very fast. Yes, nice shoot.
They're gonna swing him on three. The moment noise is made, they're all swinging him at once.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? Oh my god, very fast. I'm watching again. Yes.
That is so ridiculous and right. Shots. He's hit two of them.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It is very nice shoot. Yes. Yes, very nice. Very professional moment.
He knows all the tricks.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? He wasn't escape. What a headshot. Hello, my mate. Oh my god. Very fast. Yes, fast and clear. What the hell? Oh my god, very clever moment. Very clever moment. Very clever. For the reflex. Yes. Oh my god. I'm shocking again. Yes, what the fuck was that? I can't believe my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is really... Is it really? Oh my god, I am losing my mind. Yes, okay. What? Very funny moment. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell? It is headshot. Really headshot. Oh my god. Yes. By my man. Very epic moment. Yes. Very clear. Very clear shot. Yes. What the fuck was that? I'm shocking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a luck. What a luck. Very unlucky, man. Very unlucky.
15 seconds left. He's feeling trapped. He's feeling isolated.
Yes.
But Lasso provides
Okay,
some
what the
terror.
fuck?
Junior jump in.
Yes, okay. What a reflex. What a reflex. Oh my god. Oh my god, like a monkey. Oh my god, very fast and clear. Yes, he's watching everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god, he was no chance. He was no chance. Okay, bro, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.